This reaction is also going to produce a gas, but the gas is going to be hydrogen. The reaction involves a solution of hydrochloric acid being reacted with some zinc. And zinc is an active metal, which means it reacts with acids to produce hydrogen gas. It's one of the things an active metal means. And because the bubbles will be forming in an aqueous solution, hopefully it won't hurt my hand when I light them, but we'll see, okay? And when I say I want to make enough bubbles of hydrogen gas that when I scoop them up in my hand, I should ignite it. So let's turn this off for a second and see if I can do that. First, I'm going to light a splint. And let's see if that hydrogen will burn when I scoop some bubbles up. Again, evidence of a chemical change. Obviously, the hydrogen igniting is a chemical reaction.
Mr. Toth?
Yep.
What happens if you put the splint in the bowl?
If I put the splint in the bowl, it would go out, but if I put the splint here, it would probably blow the container up. I wouldn't want that.
Yeah.
Let's travel to the back of the room because there is one more reaction I want to look at.